What's up guys, today I Parth Agarwal is going to tell you how I build my gaming PC which can run GTA 5, Shadow of Tomb Raider and many upcoming games in just a budget of 55,000 INR, which is equivalent to around about 750 US dollars. In this video, I will be talking about the processor and motherboard which I have used in my PC build. So I have used AMD Ryzen 5 3500 processor, which is a 3rd gen processor with 6 core, 6 threads, and which can overclock up to 4.1 gigahertz boost and 3.6 base clock without graphic card. Yeah, so this processor guys, this processor doesn't comes with graphic card included. We have to install a graphic card other than this processor to play a high-end game. So guys, now I will be showing you the unboxing of AMD Ryzen 5 3500 3rd gen processor, which we talked about right now only. Now you have seen the unboxing of Ryzen 5 3500 3rd gen processor. Let's move on to the motherboard, which I have used in the same PC build, which is Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi, which supports AM4 socket. Now let's talk about the features of this motherboard. This motherboard has RGB Fusion 2.0. It means it can control the RGB fans, lights according to the processing of the motherboard, and processing and playing games, and while doing any task on the system. So it has one M.2 SSD slot, 4 SATA 3.0 3.0 ports. It means that you can attach 4 SATA hard disks internally, or SSDs, SATA SSDs, but you can only connect one M.2 SATA SSD, which is very fast, and it has 2 PCIe Express slots, which can be used for graphic card, network cards, and etc. It has then 4 RAM slots with dual channel, which can be used as a dual channel for maintaining the RAM, and it can go up to 64 GB in total. Next, it has HDMI port, AM4 socket, which I have already told you, and USB 3.1 and 2.0 ports, and it also has an audio jack with the 8-channel HD, Realtek Gigabyte LAN. This is the best thing which this motherboard has, which I have used while playing GTA 5 online game, that when we are using its Gigabyte LAN port, its on internet connectivity and online performance is very expressive, which we will show you in other videos. And best thing about these servers, and best thing about these server developers, or we can say developers at the back end, which is that it supports RAID 1, 0 and 10. Now I will tell you about what is the RAID means. RAID 0. Firstly, RAID 0 means that it splits data evenly across 2 or more disks without partly information redundancy or fault tolerance. Next, coming to RAID 1. RAID 1 requires a minimum of 2 physical drives, as data is written simultaneously to 2 places. The drives are essentially mirror images of each other. It means that whatever data is saved in the first drive will be automatically copied to the second drive, and if it is deleted from the first drive, it will automatically be deleted from the second drive. It's used just when, if first drive fails, then second drive automatically comes over in the usage, which is done automatically by a software or a hardware, which is supported by this motherboard. Next, let's talk about RAID 10, which is the combination of RAID 1 and RAID 0. So it's called RAID 10, means RAID 1 plus 0. It includes both of the things, and it needs minimum of 4 physical drives, means 2 drives each for mirroring for RAID 0. As we talked about, RAID 0 needs minimum of 2 drives. So here are 4 drives, like one combination set of 2 drives and the other combination set of 2 drives. Disk 1, 2, disk 3, disk 4. Disk 1 and 2 will be mirroring each other. Disk 3 and disk 4 will be mirroring each other, and both of the drives will combinedly, these 4 of the drives will combinedly give you the performance faster as the data will be evenly used from these both of the combinations. To know about rates in we have another video which will be which I will specify you. Just comment in this section below, so I will develop a video on RAID, how it works. So guys, let's see the unboxing of this motherboard, and then we will continue the video.